I am Joydeep. I am the regional manager for AP in Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, and I take care of the all automotive sector business. Mahindra is associated with Andhra Pradesh for last 50 years, and I am very proud to say we are the only manufacturer who has a plant in Jahirabad, and we believed in Mahindra. Mahindra believes in AP, and we invested there. We are making our commercial vehicles there. Today, we have launched this vehicle Xylo D2. We are doing a special 2-day Mela. This vehicle we have launched after getting a lot of customer feedbacks. AP is becoming very important tourist destination. Lot of foreign and in-country tourists are coming, and they require better mode of transport. So with this vehicle, we are giving that opportunity. This vehicle has very good features for operator. First, the vehicle has very comfortable seating. Even a 6'3" person can also sit in the last row, which is very important. Persons wearing sari and dhoti and lungi, which is our national dress in this side of the country, they can get in and get out very easily because our ride height is lower in this vehicle compared to other vehicles. Third, the crucial thing is AC. All the seats have AC. AP is a very hot place and AC is there. We have a lot of safety features in it. One of the primary safety feature is the front dash and the front bumper. Another important aspect we have is anti-theft system. This vehicle has a unique SIM, like your mobile phone. Every key has a chip, and only that key can go and start that vehicle. So whenever a travel operator or a customer, for a reason beyond him, he parks the vehicle outside his house, he will rest assured it will not be get theft because the vehicle can be started only with his key. This is a very important feature. These features are available in very expensive vehicles, but we have given this facility in a vehicle which is costing less than 7 lakh rupees. First time we launching in AP, and we started with Hyderabad, and we are doing this Mela 2-day carnival for especially tours and travel operators, wherein we have displayed our products. We have 5-6 financiers with us. Customers who are coming, they can avail on-spot finance. We have an exchange counter wherein they want to trade in their old vehicle, we can buy that also. And plus we have a range of colors and products which they can choose. So Mahindra doesn't have anywhere in the country company-owned showrooms. We do business with the business partners, and our dealers is the oldest dealer in AP. Our dealer automotive is more than 50-year-old, and we are having very good relationship with them. And Mahindra always believes on doing business to channel partners. We have launched it today only. So we are planning to start with 100 vehicles per month, and we'll scale it up. Our turnover, Mahindra is a $7.1 billion company, and out of which auto sector turnover is more upwards of 2 billion. And we had a great run here. Next financial year, we are sure we'll have a growth of 30% in AP, and we are present in each and every district of AP. A customer who wants to buy any Mahindra product, right from a 3-wheeler to a truck, within 50 to 60 kilometers from his village or a city, there is a Mahindra dealer with us. And we have been associated with AP for last 50 years, and we have lot of business and lot of growth from this state. We have lots of upcoming products, and this year we plan to launch minimum 5 to 6 products. Just watch that time. We will meet and we'll do this thing.